Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you're alerted every time we upload some new content. And if you like the content that we're putting up, please don't forget to give us a like. So coming up on the screen now, you will see everything here on the table a little bit closer, so you know what we're giving away this month, being the month of May. You can see all of our detailing products. You've got a wash mitt, a black one for the wheels, a green one for the body of your car, a Southeast Tuners t-shirt. Not to mention, we're also giving away a GRACIES Sweet Treats bucket. Literally everything you can see on the table here, we will be giving away. Every single thing on this table. So, we didn't give away nothing for the month of February, and we also didn't give away nothing for April, so this is why we've decided to kind of make up for the 2 months that we missed out. This is literally to thank all of you for your support. Thank you for taking part. Thank you for commenting. And yeah, what more can I say? So to win all of this, all you have to do is literally just leave a comment below. And you don't have to leave it on this video, you can leave it on any of our videos on the channel. We have been watching the comments. I will address some of the comments in our next video. But yeah, I won't get into that now. So in this full kit that we're giving away, we gave one away at Christmas, but there's a slight addition. So to the new detailing full kit that we're giving away, we now have a ceramic shampoo. Now I can see there's some other Valley products companies out there who do not like ceramic shampoo, do not like ceramic detailer. All I can say to you guys is all of our products work together. If you go onto our website, you go onto our YouTube channel, there's a playlist and it will show you in what order to use all these products so that it works and gives you the best results on your vehicle. If you want to try things your own way, feel free to do so. But like I said, on our channel, if you follow the playlist, it will show you how we use all of these products and in what order. You can see here, you will also win all of our air fresheners, and we've also got the Protect Your Skin. This is our hand care lotion, which we do say if you're not wearing gloves like me, then if you use the hand care lotion, it will literally put a barrier on your skin to protect you from any of the harmful chemicals or anything that's in these products that might cause irritation to your skin. So before we get into the video, you will see this video for the month of May at the start of every video, and that's literally to let you all know that this stuff is given away for the month of May. And like we say, all you have to do to win is just comment below on this video or any other video that we put up on the channel. But I'm going to quickly touch slightly here on the ceramic shampoo. I will do a video, if not next month, maybe the month after, maybe in July I might do a video, and I'm literally going to talk about ceramic shampoo and detailer. So like I said, a lot of other companies out there are poo-pooing them at the moment. I personally think ceramic shampoo, some people are seeing it as a gimmick. It won't offer any benefits. It won't offer any benefits to your vehicle. But I'm going to say this to you now. If you've got an old car and you think putting ceramic shampoo on it is going to make it look new, it doesn't work like that. Ceramic shampoo is literally for those guys out there who wash their cars, constantly use a detailing spray or wax spray or wax or any form of wax or sealant that you put on the car after you finish cleaning it. The ceramic shampoo, when you wash it down again and you apply this, will literally enhance those chemicals, those waxes, those sealants, those detailers, the ceramics spray detailer, any of that stuff you put on the car, it will literally enhance it, which means it will probably give you 1, if not 2 steps less to do once you add it to the car. So once you've added it, all you might have to do after is either add a ceramic detailer or a wax, and that's it, the car's finished, you know. So ceramic shampoo is for those cars that are already being maintained with waxes, sealants and so on. It's not a miracle shampoo that will just make an old or a car that's not looked after shine, okay? So that's the first thing I'm going to say. The ceramic detailer, yet again, that's a protection to put on your car. Our one lasts up to around 3 months of protection. Now I'm going to say this to you, if you live in London or the surrounding areas, it doesn't matter what you put on your car is going to be open to all of the elements out there. So that's the rain, that's the dust, That's the pollution in the air, the salt in the air, everything in London. It's hard to keep a car clean, especially if it's an everyday car that you use. So the benefits of having a ceramic shampoo, a ceramic detailer, a wax, anything that's going to put a film or an extra layer of protection on your car, to me, is a good thing. You can't go wrong with having an extra protection on your car that will help and make it easier to take things like salt, dirt and everything. It's amazing, in London my cars seem to constantly get covered by dust or some kind of sand looking kind of element. Now the funniest thing is, I don't want to get into this, I will leave this for another video. We pay ULEZ in London, or some people pay ULEZ in London, because apparently it's to stop the pollution. All the pollution in London is concentrated on the cars. What actually makes me laugh about this is all the dust I see on my cars seem to come from all the building work that they're doing in London, but somehow the dust and everything that is generated from all the building that is happening in London doesn't seem to get mentioned. Whenever there seems to be dust and everything on people's cars, it's always been said, oh, it's coming over from the Sahara Desert, or God knows where it's coming from. But I know personally, where I live and all the building work that is going on, my car daily is covered in dust. And I'm a person, I'm going to hold it up there and say it, hold my hands up and say it, I'm a person who suffers from dust allergies. So this dust for me is a form of pollution, but guess what? They're not going to worry about the dust from the buildings. They're going to keep building these luxury apartments that no one can afford in London, and they're going to say everything, all the pollution in London is from cars. There you go. Right, so we'll get into that another day, but that's just my thing. So back to the detailing products. Like I said, any form of protection you can have on your car, whether it's a ceramic shampoo, ceramic detailer, anything to protect your car, not just in London, on the outside, is a good thing in my opinion. A big shout out to our March winner, WAVVY Boost. Thank you for following, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for taking part and leaving comments on the videos that we put out. So WAVVY Boost, you are our March 2024 winner. Thank you yet again.